What if you could build components from multiple materials in a single process with custom properties in every layer? The Selective Powder Deposition technology, or short SPD, makes this vision a reality. Welcome to a new episode of Tech Bytes. SPD lets us place different powders exactly where they are needed, directly within each powder layer without any binder or extraction. This means we can combine metals, ceramics or both to produce components with highly specific customized properties. But how does SPD achieve such precision? The secret is a clever combination of mechanical movement and controlled airflow. Imagine the recoater. It moves across the powder bed and is equipped with 3 drums, each covered with a fine mesh. As the recoater passes over the build area, each drum can reach every location where its assigned material is needed. A pneumatic suction system holds the powders evenly in a thin layer on each drum surface. Then, with a controlled burst of air, the powder is released from the mesh, landing perfectly in place on the powder bed. This process is repeated layer by layer, placing each material exactly where it's needed. The benefits are clear: entirely new mixed metal component geometries, reduced costs, and better functional quality of the finished parts. Thanks to integrated powder reservoirs in the recoater, multiple powder materials can be applied quickly and accurately, in any direction throughout the build space. This enables the fabrication of complex 3-dimensional prototypes and functional parts with customized properties.